Welcome back, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add a language on your Android phone. For this tutorial, I'll be using a Google Pixel running pure stock Android, and I'm running Android version 14. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to system and tap on that. And then at the top of the system page, you'll see languages. You can tap on that, and then now you have the system languages. And you can see I only have English at the moment, but if I want to add a language, I can tap on add a language, and now I can pick another language to add. So for instance, if I want to add Dutch, I can just tap on that. Then I can choose which Dutch language I want. Obviously, I'll choose from Belgium, so Belgian Dutch. So that language has been added to my Android phone. Now, if I want to use this language as my default, all I have to do is just make sure it's the first language. So I can tap on this and drag it, and that will make it my first language. And that's basically how to add language, or how to add a language on your Google Pixel Android 14 phone. Now, if you don't have a Pixel, you have some other Android phone, you can always go to the main settings page and then just search for language. And that will take you to your language settings where you can add a different language. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.